Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I started to make a gingerbread outfit for Adam, my smart doll, whom I absolutely love. He is so fun. I mean, you can dress him in the most fun outfits, and he just looks so good. But I got it going, and I was going to do the red bow tie and some pom-poms, and I thought, you know what? That almost looks like a Charro or a Day of the Dead guitarist. And I know at least Dory knows who I'm talking about. Darren's going to insert some photos. I did make him a gingerbread outfit, and I did the sides of the pants and down the arm. And the more I made it, the more it looked like a Charro. And I thought, you know what? I'm not sure I want to make this completely Christmas. I just kind of stopped to think about it. But I wanted to show him for Christmas because it is a gingerbread outfit with the right decor. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Merry Gingerbread Christmas.
Merry Christmas.